This is the WORKPRO 3-piece weed puller tool set. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. With this 3-piece set, you are going to get the 6-tine weed puller, the V-shaped hand weeder, little fulcrum on the bottom, and the L-shaped crack weeder. I like this one. All three of the working sections on these are made from stainless steel. The handles appear to be polypropylene with thermoplastic rubber. I couldn't find it anywhere, but certainly a hard plastic material with a rubber grip, and you even have a thumb grip right here on this 6-tine. Overall, all three of these tools feel great in my hand. There's a weight to them, there's some heft. I feel like I'm holding something I can do some damage with. And all three of them have a hanging hole, so you can hang them up on a pegboard or in your shop, whatever you want to do. Here's the 15-inch 6-tine weed remover. This thing is a beast. It's great for just tearing into stuff like large patches of grass or growth coming up in a flower bed. I'm going to use it to clear out some junk in these beds before I lay mulch down this year. It's perfect for that. With these tines, you can just throw the blade right into the dirt and rip stuff up, and they are very stiff tines. There's about 2.5 inches here, so it's perfect for just getting down and getting into the roots. The ground here right now is pretty wet, but I can tell this is going to work great in the drier soil because it's stiff. You also have a scraper on this side too, which is cool for pavers and stuff like that. It's about 2 inches. This is the 12.5-inch L-shaped crack weeder. Again, very solid feeling, and it has some heft to it. These things are great for getting weeds and junk out from between pavers, or like if you have a railroad tie set up for getting along the edge. These are great for taking moss off of flat surfaces, or for removing dried up dirt on a patio, or some paver blocks, stuff like that. I've used these things to clean out between the wood planks on my deck. And this one actually has 3 edges on it. You have the scraper blade on top, which is relatively sharp, believe it or not. You have this weeding blade right here with a little serrated edge, and you've got a sawtooth weeding blade. I really like the sawtooth blade. If you're going into the cracks, you use one or the other. The sawtooth kind of grabs this stuff and pulls it out. Perfect for getting in between pavers and patio blocks. And we've got the 12-inch V-shaped uprooting weeder tool. To me, these are more for precise weeding operations where you don't want to take a ton of dirt with you. You want to get in there and pull something out. This one goes pretty deep into the ground so you can get under the root. And you've got this fulcrum on the bottom so you can lean it back, and it makes it easier to pull the wheat and the roots out. So there you go. A 3-piece set like this would be great for spring cleanup, summer cleanup, cleaning out the flower beds before mulching. Good for maintaining them throughout the summer. Good for dandelions, thistles, and clumps of stuff with this 6-inch tine thing. Oof. Something for everything. Nice solid kit.